Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best health and wellness tips. Please like and subscribe this channel for more tales of wonder and wisdom. In today's video, we have an incredible remedy that you won't want to miss: taking turmeric this way and mixing it with olive oil. Trust us, you won't want to dispense with this healthy habit for the rest of your life. So, let's dive right in. Point 1. The power of turmeric. First, let's talk about the power of turmeric. This bright yellow spice contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. It's been linked to a wide range of health benefits, from reducing inflammation to supporting joint health. 2. The magic of olive oil. Next up, we have olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, making it heart-healthy and great for your overall well-being. It's known to improve digestion and promote radiant skin. 3. The winning combination. Now, here's where the magic happens. When you combine turmeric and olive oil, you create a synergy that amplifies their individual benefits. Turmeric is fat-soluble, which means it's better absorbed when paired with a healthy fat like olive oil. This combination enhances the bioavailability of curcumin, making it even more effective. 4. How to make turmeric and olive oil mix. So, how do you make this amazing mix? It's simple. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Mix them together in a small bowl until you get a smooth paste. 5. How to incorporate it into your routine. Now that you have your turmeric and olive oil mix, here's how to use it. You can drizzle it over salads, use it as a marinade for your favorite proteins, or even add it to your morning smoothie. The versatility is endless. 6. The lifelong benefits. Why won't you want to dispense with this habit? Well, the answer lies in the lifelong benefits. Incorporating turmeric and olive oil into your daily routine can help reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, improve digestion, and promote overall wellness. It's a small change with a big impact. Conclusion. In conclusion, taking turmeric this way and mixing it with olive oil is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier life. As always, remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. Thank you for joining us in today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. We'll be back with more exciting content soon. Stay healthy and take care.